Hello, welcome to STEM School. In this video, we are going to introduce VS Code. Hello. In this lesson, we are going to talk about how to use Visual Studio Code. Okay, so in my previous video, I've talked about how to install the Visual Studio Code as well as Python extension and Python. Now in this lesson, let's see how we can simply use that. So when you open the Visual Studio Code, you got the welcome page, right? So in the welcome page, you are going to open a folder, okay? Open a folder, you will select a folder, okay? And now under this folder, you are going to be able to use that to create your own Python files, your own virtual environment if you want it, and create the .py file where you can code and execute your code. All right. So after you open this, so let's first open a new terminal. All right. So the first thing you need to do is to check whether your Python is properly installed there. So I'm going to type Python 3 version. All right, it will be just Python for Windows users. So for Python, once you can see the Python version is there, that means your Python is all set. Okay, so the next thing is I've created some test files. So there's the test1, test2. All right, so let's take a look at test1. So that's the test1 file, a class file with some object and print written there. So I'm just going to execute the file. All right, so Python 3 test1 py. All right, so you will see that the result is printed out. Okay, so you can basically create your own Python code there. So I can simply copy this one. I got the test5 there, or you can always create a new file, test new. Okay. Oh, we need to rename that, so I forgot. So you need to with the py extension. Okay, test new.py. All right, so I'm going to paste whatever I copied here, and then I'm going to click file and save. Okay, so Python new.py is saved, so I'm going to execute. So Python 3 test new.py. All right, so they are the same, right? So basically I copy the code into a new Python file and execute the Python file. Okay, so the other thing is I just create my module.py. Okay, I'm going to use it in my test3. So that's my module.py, and I'm going to use it in my test3. So import my module. Okay, so after I done this, I can just execute again Python 3 test3. Okay, test3.py here. That okay, there's the greetings. Okay, all right, so and there is what I've been done with test2. Okay, so in test2 I just created a simple Python code with the math module. All right, so we can execute that as an example to take a look. Python 3 test2.py. All right, so here it is. Here's the result. Okay, so that's everything. I think that's the basics you need to know for VS Code. That's everything for today's lesson. Please click like if you like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.